important to understand that when you strike something, you want your knees facing the direction you want your energy to go. I'm loaded. My knot is the indicator. People don't understand that in karate, the belt is an indicator letting me know where you're at in the curriculum, one. Also, it lets me know at quick glance if you're lined up properly. So my knot is right here. If I'm fighting this person in front of me, my knot is facing forward right now. A lot of people will stand like this. Where's my knot facing? So I want my energy going this direction. When you push your car, your energy faces the car. Your knees face the car. That means all your energy is going forward. If you can successfully push a 2,000-pound object, you can go through a 200-pound man. You don't push a 2,000-pound object with your knees facing in the opposite direction. It doesn't make sense. So you're fighting, knees facing the direction. The knot tells me. If I see you're not facing this direction, I know it's wrong. Quick glance, I go, hey, adjust yourself. So here I go. Straight thrust, reverse thrust. Now I load the hook. See where my knee's facing? See where my fist is facing? Same direction. Now they would come through and they stay on line. They travel together. It's not an arm. It's my body traveling. So we're practicing. Loading up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. By dropping the heel and raising the heel. Okay? So my job is to teach you how to punch, not just have you punch. A lot of people sitting there punching pads and doing all these ridiculous combinations, but they don't know how to punch. So I'm teaching you how to punch. And then you put it in any combination you need to. So, the thrusts are structure-based, not strength-based. Yeah? So you feel that going down into that foot, going down into that foot. Now that's delivering my entire body. Now watch this. Fist, knee facing the same direction. Now watch. See how they travel together? See it? Now watch this. Watch this fist. Same direction. Knee, fist. Now watch. See it? Same direction. Now watch. Same direction. Now watch. Same direction. Your knee always faces the direction you want your energy to go. So they always track each other. Always. If you have to slow it down, you slow it down and get your energy, get your knees in coordination. 1, 2, 3. See it? 4, 5, 6. See how they travel together? Ball of foot on that side. This right here, ball of foot. So I came like this. Right? Now watch me. Now I'm grinding that bug into the ground and driving. That's me. Watch this. Flat foot. Now watch. See the difference? That's me. Yeah. Pushing that car. When you want to push a car, what do you gotta do? Watch this. Watch this. It starts pushing back on me because I'm going up a driveway. Watch this foot. See it? So that's what I'm doing here. I'm already in there. Make sense? Loaded. I go 1, 2, right? Watch me. 3, watch me. 4, now watch. Right? 5, now watch. Go over here. Watch my left leg. See it? See it? Now watch. See that drive? That's that shit right there. That's that shit. Instead of just being armed, It's all just that. People are not designed to take that. Oh, just me hitting you as light as I'm hitting you would drop the average person. Oh, just a quick boom. Just your body. Boom. See it? Look. Everything's together. Boom. Watch this. Came with a hook. Now watch. Where's my fist? Same fang direction as my knee. Watch. See it? Obi, go. Good coordination of the body. You want coordination of your body, your entire body. Good coordination of your entire body. Wherever you want your energy to go, your knees need to be facing that direction. Delivering my center through my 2 knuckles, right? My 4 knuckles, 2 on each hand. So I'm standing here. I'm loaded. My knees, my knot, everything is facing the threat. Not facing this way, facing the threat. I'm looking down the side of the triangle. I go. This is structure based. All energy is going forward. Coming out of the ball of my foot, I'm as solid as my foundation, right? Structure based. Heisman, his face or chest or whatever, right? I come, boom. Next one, covering my face. Now, here we go, boom. Hook is loaded. Knee, fist facing the same direction. Now all I gotta do is grind in here as I bring it around, right through the target. Boom. This knee's facing that knee. My fist is facing the same direction as my knee. Now, I come here, load the cannon. Boom. Fist and knee facing the same direction. It comes around together, comes underneath, pushes past my eyes, back down to my mouth. Now, I load this hip. My fist and knee facing the same direction. Loaded. Now, when I come out with my hip, delivering my center through my fist, and a close punch coming up under their floating ribs. Boom. Pull back into myself. My energy's still going forward right now. I'm not leaning back, still going forward. Now, I load this side. Come over, ball of foot, boom, fist facing the same direction. Now, all I gotta do is grind it into the ground like I'm squishing a bug, and shoot out, back in. And I'm back in my position. Coordination drill, understanding how I coordinate my hands with my knees, everything together. Okay, it's a functional coordination drill. A non-functional drill is strictly designed to build attributes and is not designed to be used as is. It has to be modified. A functional drill can be used as is, but it's also building attributes. People are gonna write rude shit on YouTube, saying stupid shit without looking at the big picture. People are gonna ask, why are you leaving the punches out? That is a training thing. It's not designed to be that way in the fight. Getting it all together. The most important attribute is coordination, with the last 3 attributes being natural byproducts of coordination drills, which is cardiovascular endurance, muscular development.